Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to switch off developer panel. So at first let's enroll the settings, then find and select System and Update and reach developer options. Now to close them, to hide them again, just unmark the stop indicator. Click on Restart to reset your device, and afterwards it will be hidden again. And now enter PIN code. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.